I'm going to lead you through this quick and easy tutorial using all of the items that are in your kit to tie-dye a mask. Now here are the masks, the dye, a popsicle stick so you can mix up the dye, and the eyedropper so that you can drip the dye onto the mask. All right, let's get started. First, we're gonna mix up our dyes. Now in your kit, you have paper cups. I'm using clear ones here so that you can see what I'm doing.
Next, take each of your 3 paper cups and fill them up with tap water.
All right, so I'm just gonna snip the corner off here.
Empty the dye packet into the water.
Use your popsicle stick to mix up the dye.
Mix the dye for a full 30 seconds. You do this so that you make sure that the dye is completely mixed in with the water.
Once it's thoroughly mixed in, go ahead and mix up your other dyes.
Now that your dyes are mixed up, click on the video below and I'll show you how to tie-dye your mask.